Find the exact value of cosine pi over 8. Note that pi over 8 is not a standard angle, but if we divide pi over 4 by 2, which is pi over 8, so pi over 8 is half of pi over 4. So we can use this formula now. Cosine theta over 2 half angle is equal to plus minus square root of 1 plus cosine theta over 2. So theta is like pi over 4 in our case. Since pi over 4 is a standard angle, we do have the value of cosine pi over 4. And choosing plus or minus is according to pi over 8. Pi over 8 is in the first quadrant, so we take positive. Okay, so now cosine pi over 8 is positive value, don't have to write, 1 plus cosine theta. Okay, our theta is pi over 4, theta over 2 is pi over 8, all over 2, that is 1 plus cosine pi over 4. Looking at the unit circle or from chart, we know that cosine pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. Okay, all over 2. Let's simplify. We are done. Everything inside radical sign, so we can combine these two fractions on the top. For we multiply first fraction by 2 over 2, so we have 2 common denominator on the top, 2 times 1 2 plus root 2 on the top, all over 2, which can be simplified further. We keep 2 plus root 2 over 2 times, division into times, flip, 2 means 2 over 1, so it becomes 1 over 2. On the bottom we got 2 times 2, 4, and when we take a square root, that can be just 2 on the outside. Okay, 1 over 2, and what is left? 2 plus root 2. Final.